All right, move number 9 in the 30 moves to 30K, your first deal system. Very simple. Add a contingency to your budget. How much should it be? At least 20%. Now, when I came up, people would say 5, 10, 15%, 20% on the high side. No, no, no. 20% bare minimum. Now, I make a big deal out of this because if you go get a hard money loan, a lot of them they'll cap out at 20%. I've seen no shortage of hard money quotes where they'll have 5 and 10%. It is not enough. Okay, you want at least 20% bare minimum. If you can put 25, 30% in there, even better. Now, does that mean you're terrible at managing money? No, what it means is things you understand, things can and will go wrong. Okay, the bigger the project, the more likely something's going to go wrong. But Frank, what if it's just a carpet and paint job? I don't care. 20% extra, period, non-negotiable. Get it in your head. Instead of fighting to get a lower contingency, fight to get a better deal on the front side before you buy the house. Okay. If you in order to do the deal, if you need a less than 20% contingency, then you did not negotiate a good enough deal up front. It's as simple as that. Do not complicate it. 20% bare minimum, 25 to 30% ideally. I've seen it again and again. I've lived it again and again. The more you know about property, the more you realize how incredibly important that contingency is. The bigger the project is, the more you know you need a bigger contingency as you gain and build experience. The contingency on a carpet and paint is very different from a full gut. A full gut, I've learned that you better have 30% because it can get that crazy. Okay. Houses can throw all kinds of things. They don't care about feelings. They don't care about numbers. They're just inanimate objects, four walls and a roof that will just go, boom, here's all my problems, regardless of what you think. Have a nice day. So have that contingency. Remember, 20% bare minimum. If the deal doesn't work with that, you've got to negotiate a better deal. Do not let any seller, wholesaler, realtor, bird dog, anybody tell you differently. 20% bare minimum, and you're going to put yourself in a much better place for success. With that, I'll see you in the next move.